Compensation. Did you know that when you participate in a clinical trial, you may be compensated for your time as well as any travel costs? Clinical trial volunteers may receive reimbursement for their time and free transportation. How does this work? If you are approached about a research study by your physician, you may receive an informed consent form. The informed consent form details why the study is being conducted, as well as what you can expect as a volunteer. In that document, you will also read about any compensation for time, travel, and sometimes medications you may receive while participating in the study. Additionally, any procedures you receive as a direct part of your clinical research study, such as X-rays, an exam by a physician, or lab draws, are all typically paid for by the study and are no cost to you and not billed to your insurance. Clinical trial volunteers are medical heroes, contributing to the advancement of medicine and improvements in health around the world. If you are interested in learning more or participating in a clinical trial, please contact us at tellmemore@javararesearch.com.